I have the time of my life, and I never felt this way before, and I swear this is true, and I'm holding on to you, to the beat, boom, 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 to the beat, boom, 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 to the beat, boom, to the beat, boom, 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 boom. Let's change. Go, chick, animals. Before I end this, let's go some flute beatbox. Thank you.
Well, Kyrmenskham, the beatboxer. Okay. Basanan?
That was an outstanding performance. In fact, you're very, very creative. And I know you can still come out with more stuff like that.
This was totally an awesome act, you know. I was like so really very happy seeing how you have improved yourself. I mean, right from your previous performance, and now also like you're so innovative with your innovative ideas. You've really mesmerized me, you know. I can't even believe that it was purely human voice.
Thank you,
while you were beatboxing, I was tapping my feet and dancing. So, and you are so multi-talented. You are a singer as well as a beatboxer. Wow, like I'm very proud of you. This is totally an awesome act. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, judges, and thank you so much, Kyrmenskham.